Friction Alka Sprayer Specialist with Case IH here to go through end of road turn on a 50 series Patriot sprayer. So first off, I created a boundary. So from the boundary, we are going to now do our end of road turn. So first things we got to do is tap on the end of row icon or widget. Set up our headland swath. So we're going to do one headland swath for our turn. We're not going to skip any swaths. We're just going to go back and forth, and then our turn speed at 6 miles an hour. Once I have that determined in my turn speed, and how I would adjust that is I would tap on the selection and then enter in the value of my end of road turn speed. Once that's completed, I'm going to tap on the row, and now I'm going to go through to be able to engage guidance and start moving the machine. So as I go through, I can skip from 1 up to 1 to 4 swaths. I can go through and I can skip. So as I get going with my machine, there's a footage countdown that counts down. So at about 50 feet, I want to be able to slow down. So I'll hit my preset 2. That'll slow me down to my desired 6 miles an hour end of road turn. So as I come up, you can see on the Case IH Viper 4, the turn is going to be initiated for me, and all I'm going to have to do is just follow it. So counting down, so right about now I want to slow down. So I've hit my preset 2, and you'll see it goes into red until I get below my turn radius of 6 miles an hour, and that's where we're going to make our turn. So now the machine is going to turn for me within my boundary, hands-free, easy, seamless setup and operation of it. So now it'll turn me back onto my guidance line. I'll lock on my guidance line there, and we'll be able to now set up to our field speed, set speed 2, and away we go. So you'll see now that the arrow has turned to the left. So now as I come up to my second end of road turn, it's going to turn the machine left for me. So it's smart enough to determine to know which direction I'm going to be turning my sprayer on the headlands. So again, 2, it's going to count down, and again I'm going to initiate or slow down my speed to 6 miles an hour at about that under 100 foot mark. So you can see the turn is coming up in purple. That's calculated. I'm going to press set speed 1 now. That's going to slow my machine down to my minimum turn speed at 6 miles an hour. As you can see, it's giving me the blue indicator so that I can perform my end of road turn. So I make my turn and turn back into my forward heading. And that's our end of road turn completion.